Hey guys, if you get this can refrigerator organizer, it holds 9 cans sideways and it holds 9 bottles upward. And then here's the Brita filter that we use water, which tastes better than the water that we have. And this water is good too. And then this is after the first month, after we hit the first month of how much food we have. Still somewhat good and organized. We only have bacon, stuff, frozen bread. We only have frozen fruits. No eggs, which we should be soon. Not this week, but next week maybe. Getting eggs. Getting more drinks to fill